Hello my dear students. So this is your science class and today in this class we will continue with the next chapter, that is chapter number 9, water as a resource. So in the previous chapter students, we have already discussed about water, the three states of water. In this chapter here we will talk about water as resource, how water is useful for us, how water is used as a resource for us. So first you will see change in state. So we have already talked in the previous chapter that change in state means water can change in three different forms, that is solid, liquid and gas. So when water is heated or cooled, it may undergo some changes. So what happens students, when water may heated means if you are heating a water, it can change, like it will change from liquid when you are boiling or heating it in a temperature, in a continuous temperature. Then what happens, the water vapors come out. So that water vapors is a gas. So heat, what happens here, water undergo changes means from liquid it changes to gas, that is water vapor. And also on cooling it undergoes some changes, like if you keep a bottle of water in your refrigerator, okay, in the deep freezer, what happens, the liquid changes into solid, the water will convert into ice. So it changes in different forms, okay. Next you will talk about, that is evaporation. So we have already discussed evaporation in the previous chapter, that evaporation, in this process what happens student, this is a process in which liquid changes into vapor, that is gas, on heating. So what happens when you are heating a water in a container or in a utensils, when you put a utensil in your gas stove, what happens when you boil water, you can find that the vapor coming out from there, that is gas. So in the process of evaporation, liquid will always change into vapor, that is gas. Next we will talk is about condensation. So in condensation, in this process what happens students, gas changes into liquid on cooling. So we have already talked that how gas will convert into liquid is when you take out a cold water bottle from the freeze and you will just keep it in a room temperature, we will find some water droplets forming outside the bottle. So what that gas changes into water liquids, okay, water droplets, that is on cooling. So till here we will do today, and we will meet in our next class again students. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.